Klingon. Tá irid sin daoine á labhairt inis timpeall 4 milliún dóibh. An nóilimh go mbeadh níos mó Gaeilge nó Klingon ag éasóg na tíre seo. Ceocha. No fiú an nóilimh go mbeadh siad in ann an difríocht a dhéanamh amach idir Gaeilge agus Klingon. Well, cos limnach chun fáil amach.
Control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom.
So, an cúisgúil take cuaimhse go mic léinn ollscoil limní ná díreach chun bhór ólas tanga a bheas. So, catá sé gceiste gom déanamh ná fechant an féidir libh idir jaallú a dhéanamh idir tanga arsa na Gaeilge, seód bhór an éireacht féin taobháin agus an taobheile Klingon. OK, dus náma. Cearcean, chung, muinke, rachánach, próchóg, deasúg, tumha, glam, tash, farsing, leachtacht, dúv, tearg, dearaisk, ruthagach, mohal, iste, chow, leabhargáin, sáfach, quag, hoch, rin, ngach, ráháin, hiúpma, ghar, déilúirseach, as an ceann déarnach, sús, caculúir siníad. So, bailóm in a papéri, agus déanam a chartú san turmar astí.
This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade. And the papers want to know whose shirts you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare.
For Shiv, trocha fan géadas na fragri mí cheart. So trocha fan géadas ní fragri, ní raibh Shiv in an déanamh amach an raibh me caint as Klingon nó as Gaeilge. Ach, é sin ráite, é seachtó fan géadas na cásna hiig Shiv go soléir gur an Gaeilge nó Klingon a bhí gceiste gom. So ní sé sin rá, seachtó fan géad cad sin B, nó A, nó B, óntaach, so má hagan fear ón plan é deile le Klingon, beg is to give an Gaeilge or A, no fear le Klingon.
En an géadal sios tá sampla do sáirlitíochta na nua Gaeilge gom Harry Potter agus an orchlach, agus sa lámh eile tá samplaí de Irish leabhar le héadí an ceann Ulla ón Spáin, a bhfuil chalíní deasa ann le gúní deasa agus seóda agus mar sin de. Ciamid cata ón na daoine. Harry Potter in Irish?
Oh God, no, I don't like Irish.
Oh, and this is all it's in Spanish though?
Okay. Probably that in Spanish because I can see the pictures. That's how shallow I am.
Sé a chuirech an pinó sa baide riamh ar Harry. Faoin am a scríle chamachas an goberte. Would you be interested in that?
Yeah.
Do you want to take it?
Yeah.
Will you read it, do you reckon?
Yeah.
Have you ever read an Irish book?
Yeah, please.
Have you? What sort of books?
I don't know the way.
Books? Textbooks or what?
Yeah.
Were they good?
Yeah.
Do you like Irish?
No.
Which of those two would you prefer, or would you be most interested in, do you think?
I would be interested in the magazine, I'm afraid.
That's Harry Potter of Gaeilge. Yeah. No, Ulla magazine is Spanish. No, it's just Spanish. So just Dearg Films a sim níos mó got down.
Well, Larry Gaeilge agus ní Larry in Spanish, so
okay,
agus is even Harry Potter, so.
Have you ever read a book in Irish?
Yeah.
Cool.
I've seen a book in Irish.
Harry Potter agus an...
Harry Potter straight away.
Would it? It's in Irish then. Would that be a problem?
Could be a bit of a challenge in that now.
Right.
Merita si me querés, méteme tras de la puerta. Merita si me querés, méteme tras de la puerta.
You could read both. You could read this.
No, I couldn't. I don't understand Spanish.
Oh, right.
But I'd rather read than Harry Potter.
But you could read this.
Yeah.
I was in an Irish school, so I could read it. Oh, were you?
So why don't you want it?
Because I don't want it.
Have you ever read a book in Irish?
In Irish school?
No, outside of school?
No.
And would you?
No.
Bin torra himúil. Deire bhí éal a bhairthe ma leabhar ma Harry Potter. Cé gur adamh daoine ná bhéadadís hiiscin nó a léamh fiú. Ach, hasasta go go mbeadh sé an sealfacha. Ach, in áíire deire ní raibh marrán éal a bheith ceachtarcha. Ma Irish leabhar Spáis ná ma leabhar bocht Gaeilge. Ach, Beidir an rud atá uing ná Irish leabhar nua, ceann dathúil, ceann áling, ceann mealtach as Gaeilge, le pictúrí de chalíní nó de riine áling sevrán agus rudí eile mealtacha ach bagán teags Gaelna. Deirta mís díochaite gléachar nó céchí na bhfuiltaí, beidir gur bhí sin freagra na ceisi.